What if I told you that you could make money online just by commenting on YouTube videos? No content creation, just typing a few words and watching the money roll in. Sounds crazy, right? Well, I tested this for a whole week and the results were absolutely shocking. In this video, I'll show you step by step how people are secretly making money just by commenting on viral videos. If this actually works, stay until the end because I'll reveal my exact earnings. The best strategy I discovered. Step 1. The strategy behind viral comments. So how does this actually work? The idea is simple. YouTube videos get millions of views every day, and viral videos attract thousands of comments. If you can write an engaging comment that gets thousands of likes, it stays at the top and gets seen by more and more people. Here's where the money-making trick comes in. People use viral comments in 3 main ways to make money. 1. Affiliate marketing. They link to a product and earn commissions. 2. YouTube growth. They promote their own channel. 3. Traffic to a website. They direct people to blogs or services that generate ad revenue. Step 2. Finding the best viral videos. The first step is choosing the right videos to comment on. Not all videos will get you views. The trick is to find trending, high engagement videos. So I search for content from massive creators like Mr. Beast. His videos get millions of views in hours. AI tech YouTubers. People in these niches love discussions. Ayunes, finance side hustle channels. Perfect for money-making strategies. Gaming channels. Huge active communities. After finding the right channels, I used a simple hack. I sorted videos by most recent and targeted brand new uploads. If I comment first, my comment is more likely to get engagement. So step 3, writing the perfect viral comment. Now, let's talk about the comment itself. You need a comment that grabs attention and gets likes. So I tested 3 different styles. 1. Funny comments. People love humor, and funny comments often go viral. 2. Helpful comments. Providing value gets people to interact. Example. Want to grow your YouTube channel fast? 3. Engagement bait. Asking questions encourages replies. Example. Who else thinks this is the best video Mr. Beast has ever made? Each of these comments has one goal, to get as many likes and replies as possible so they stay at the top of the comment section. Step 4. Adding a money-making link. Now comes the most important part. How do you make money from this? You can't just drop a link in the comment because YouTube will block it. Instead, here's what I did. 1. Affiliate trick. I created a free website on Linktree or Google Sites. I added my affiliate links there. 2. YouTube promotion trick. I linked to my own YouTube video and used a CTA like, I explained this in detail on my channel. 3. Website traffic trick. I directed people to my blog where ads and affiliate links made me money. The results? After a whole week of testing, here's what happened. Total comments posted, 50. Highest like comment, 2,000 plus likes. Total clicks on my links, 680. Money earned, $47.85 in 1 week. This was actually pretty impressive. So can you make money by commenting on YouTube? Yes, but it's not a get-rich-quick method. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe because I'm testing even crazier online money-making methods in my next video. Let me know in the comments. Would you try this method?